Hello and welcome to City Gunzels. We are at Ashburn Station once again, getting ready for a Southeast Melbourne Phoenix match. Southeast Melbourne Phoenix versus Sydney Kings is today, and I'm going to it, so you will get to see that, I guess. Hope you enjoy, and we're starting it off here. If you watched the Why Not Suburban Tour video, it was a much worse day, but today it's great. So we're going to start off here on this very joyful day at Ashburn Station. Okay, train now arriving. This is the train that we're going to catch. Here it comes. To 19M. Okay, so we're at Camberwell. The next train in our journey is now arriving. Flynn Street service 9:03M. And see you when I see you next. Okay, so we are currently at Richmond Station. This is the train that we came on, 9:03M. We're going to film it departing, and then we're going to make our way to the Phoenix game. Okay, so as you can clearly see, we are at Melbourne Arena, ready for the Phoenix game, and here's the band. So yeah, we are here. Please entertainment outside of Phoenix game. Apart from this being the vlog, this is also going to be partially a review. I don't even know if you can hear me over the band, but see you. arriving at platform 9. In the background is non-service. Train is now departing. I'm now on portrait mode. Lilydale train that we just caught. Next train up should be the Alamein train. Okay, so here comes our Alamein train. Did I catch this one back to Ashburton? So yeah, that's cool. Okay, so the Alamein train's departing. For some reason it's a free car and it went all the way down the platform. I don't know why, but it did. Anyway, thank you for watching City Gunzels at a South East Melbourne Phoenix game versus Sydney Kings. Unfortunately, we didn't win. We lost by 4 points, I'm pretty sure. It was 90 to 86, I just remembered. Thank you for watching City Gunzels. Subscribe, hit the like button, and hit notifications when you subscribe to get notified of all my videos. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.